Page number 100, ready, start. Challenge in this appeal is from an order passed by a learned single judge of the Madhya Pradesh High Court in contempt proceedings. Stop. The respondent had filed a writ petition which was disposed of with certain directions. Stop. Alleging that when the directions were not complied with, a petition was filed for initiation of contempt proceedings. Stop. Response was filed by the appellants taking a positive stand that the directions have been complied with and whatever was to be legally done has been so done. Stop. After taking note of the stand taken by the present appellants who were respondents in the contempt proceedings, learned single judge dropped the contempt proceeding by accepting the explanation of the respondents as reasonable. Stop. It was specifically noted that from the steps taken by the alleged contemners, it cannot be said that the action of the respondents in the contempt proceedings was in any manner contemptuous or disrespectful. Stop para. While dealing with an application for contempt, the court is really concerned with the question whether the earlier decision which has received its so and so had been complied with or not. Full stop. It would not be permissible for a court to examine the correctness of the earlier decision which and not been assailed and to take a view different from what was taken in the earlier decision. Stop. The court exercising contempt jurisdiction is primarily concerned with the question of so and so conduct of the party who is alleged to have committed default in complying with the directions in the judgment or order. Stop. If there was no ambiguity in the order, it is for the party concerned to approach the higher court if according to him the same is not legally tenable. Stop. Such a question has necessarily to be agitated before the higher court. Full stop. The court exercising contempt jurisdiction cannot take upon itself power to decide the original proceedings in a manner not dealt with by the court passing the judgment or order. Stop. We find that the same has no application to the facts of the present case. Stop. In that case, the question arose about the impossibility to obey the order. Stop. If that was the stand of the appellants, the least it could have done was to assail correctness of the judgment before the higher court. Full stop. Paragraph. If any party concerned is aggrieved by the order which in its opinion is wrong or against the rules, or its implementation is neither practicable nor feasible, it should always either approach the court that passed the order or invoke jurisdiction of the appellate court. Full stop. Rightness or wrongness of the order cannot be urged in contempt proceedings. Stop. Right or wrong, the order has to be obeyed. Stop. Flouting an order of the court would render the party liable for contempt stop. While dealing with an application for contempt, the court cannot traverse beyond the order stop. In other words, it cannot say what should not have been done or what should have been done stop. It cannot test correctness or otherwise of the order or give additional direction or delete any direction stop.